It was a bit of a disappointing night on Friday night for shares. We had quite a positive session in Asian share markets on Friday, but that mood didn't carry on to the Northern Hemisphere, where the jitters about the Greek concerns dominated sentiment, despite the fact that we actually had some reasonable data on both sides of the Atlantic. Starting out in the States, they had durable goods orders, and these lifted for the month, and they actually had a positive upward revision to the previous month as well. So that would normally be quite encouraging, as durable goods are a big part of the economy. We also had the final reading of GDP, which came in line with expectations, and the third reading was a little bit better than the second reading. Across the Atlantic, we had reasonable German data as well, but they really are concerned with this Greek situation, and this week it comes to a bit of a head as Parliament votes on the austerity measures that are required to secure more funding. In that mood of risk aversion, we did see the New Zealand dollar weaken somewhat. We're below 81 cents against the US dollar at the moment and below 77 cents against the Aussie dollar. On the commodity front, we're seeing two things happening there for some commodities. There's favourable weather conditions for the likes of wheat and coffee production, and these concerns about global growth are meaning people's demand forecasts aren't quite as strong either. So what that's resulted in is some of the speculative positions in those commodities have come off. Closer to home today, we've got the trade balance out, and later on in the week we've got building consent data and business confidence. Offshore, big focus is going to be in the States. Tonight they've got personal consumption and income data, and later in the week they've got some important manufacturing data coming out. So it'll be a reasonably busy week, and the main focus for financial markets in the initial stages is going to be that Greek vote.